Suppose you wish to conduct a statistical test on the average proportion of a single population, and you have information from a sample. And I will demonstrate how to do this on the calculator with the following information. Suppose the sample proportion is 58% and the sample size is 890, and we believe that the true population proportion to be greater than 55%. To enter this information in on the calculator, you hit Stat, highlight Test, and scroll down to 1propztest. Then we enter in the claim, which is 55%, and then it asks for the number of successes, not the sample proportion. So we need to do a calculation here. We found our sample proportion to be 58%, so we take 0.58 and multiply that by the sample size, 890. And here we see that we did not get an integer value. So I will use standard rounding rules to supply the number of successes. The x value in this situation must be an integer in order for the calculator to run the program. So we'll scroll back up and adjust this a little bit by making it just 516. And then we'll enter in our sample size. And we think that the true proportion is greater than the claim. So we hit the right-sided alternative, and then we will go ahead and calculate. And here we get our information. Now there are a couple p's floating around here, but this is what the calculator is outputting. The first thing listed is the alternative hypothesis. The next thing is the test statistic, then the p-value, and then this little p-hat listed underneath that, that is the sample proportion, and then we have the sample size. So this is how you may conduct a 1-prop z test